Hello friends, now we are doing third question of exercise 3.7 which is optional. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train was slower by 10 km per hour, it would have been taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Now, according to the question, the current speed or we can say that the uniform speed of train is x. We are taking uniform speed of train is x and time taken by train is equal to t. Now we are taking uniform speed x and time t, so now speed equal to distance upon time. So we are calculating distance, so speed is x and distance upon time is t. So distance covered equal to xy. Now according to the question is saying if train would have been 10 km faster, it would have been taken 2 hours less than scheduled time. So if train is 10 km per hour faster, so x plus 10, as we see that the speed into time equal to distance. Speed into time equal to distance. Speed into time equal to distance. So x plus 10 and taking 2 hours less, so t minus 2 will become x multiplied by t. X multiplied by t for distance. Now we are solving this, so will become xt plus 10t minus 2x minus 20 is equal to xt. So now all come this side, so minus 2x minus plus 10t minus 20 minus 2x and xt will come this side, so xt plus xt minus xt will become 0 and xt will cancel out both sides. Minus 2x plus 10t minus 20 equal to 0. We are multiplying by minus 1, so this will become 2x minus 10t plus 20 equal to 0. This is our first equation. Now according to the question, if the train was slower 10 km per hour, if the speed is slower than 10 km per hour, then it would taking 3 hours more. So x minus 10, the speed is slow and the time is more, time taken more 3 hours, so, and the distance is always equal, so it is xt. Speed into time equal to distance. Speed into time equal to distance. So now we are solving this. This will become xt minus 10t plus 3x minus 30 equal to xt. Now xt will cancel out from both sides, so it will become plus, it will become 3x minus 10t minus 30 equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now we are calculating from elimination method. From elimination method we are writing both equation. Here we are eliminating t because the t is equal, so we are subtracting second equation from first. So for subtracting we have to change the sign, so we are changing the sign. Now I am subtracting 3x from 2x, so it will become minus x this will be cancelled out, and this will be plus 50. So minus x equal to minus 50 and x equal to 50. Now our speed is 50 km per hour, as we seen x equal to 50. Now the time to solve for time. So 2x minus 10t plus 20 equal to 0. Now we are putting the value of x. So 2 into 50 minus 10t plus 20 equal to 0. 50 to the 100 minus 10t plus 20 equal to 0. Minus 10t plus 120 equal to 0, and minus 10t equal to 120 below minus, then minus sign will cancel out from both sides, and 10t equal to 120 and t equal to 12. The time taken is 12. So now distance equal to speed into time. So it will become our speed is 50 km per hour and time is 12 hours. It will become 600 km. This is the distance covered by the train. Thank you.